Hello everyone, welcome back to Sujit Analytics. This is a continuation of SQL Tutorials. So, in the previous tutorial, we explored scalar defined functions, inline table value functions, and multi-statement table value functions. So, in this tutorial, let's understand what is the difference between them. What is the primary difference? So, the first difference is the scalar defined or user-defined functions returns a scalar data type. As a name is saying scalar, returns a scalar data type as a return. Example is like int, float, varchar, date, and etc. And coming to inline table value function, returns a table as return type. So in inline table value functions, returns a table. Coming to multi-statement value functions, also returns a table, but it allows multiple SQL statements. So the difference between inline versus multi-statement is inline requires only one returns only one table as a return type. Here, multi-statement also returns table, but also it requires multiple SQL statements. Where in inline we can have only one SQL statement. And also in multi-statement variable functions, we can declare variables, loops, conditions before returning the final table or final result. This is the first difference. The second difference is the scalar user-defined function requires beginner in the body. You know that, and it can be used with the tables. So once we define a scalar defined functions, we can use it with the result with the tables. And inline table value functions does not require beginner in the body. It requires only one SQL statement. Because it requires only one SQL statement, you don't need to specify the beginner in the body. But for multi-statement table value functions, we have to give beginner in the body because we have to specify multiple SQL statements. It should execute it one after one, then it should return some final result. So we have to ensure beginner in the body. So this is a summary of the difference between three functions. So this is a scalar defined functions. It returns a single value and it has only one single statement, and performance wise it is very faster because it returns only a single value. Coming to inline table value functions, returns only one set statement. We cannot give any other update delete statement. Coming to its body type, it's don't need to specify the beginner in the body. The performance wise it is very fastest. Coming to multi-statement value functions, it returns many statements because we can specify multiple SQL statements, perform conditions, loops, and also its body type is to have beginner in the body. So if we are performing multiple statements, we have to ensure beginner in the body, and the performance result is slower compared to scalar and inline. So this is the difference between scalar versus inline versus and multi-statement value functions. That's all. I hope you understand. If you believe you learned something today, don't forget to give a like and share it with your friends who are learning SQL. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Sujit Analytics, to stay updated with my latest tutorials. That's all. I'll be sharing this SQL file in the description. Make sure to download and explore the difference between them. That's all. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.